People have always asked, why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know, so that's what we're going to find out today. I have built a program that can recognize Morse code by clapping, and now we will use this to control a chicken on the road. Good luck. Alright, time to cross this road. Wow, this is way longer than I expected. Okay, there's no car so far. I don't know how. That's good. I should probably shut the fuck up. God. Alright, first checkpoint, first checkpoint, first checkpoint. Now we just gotta do another one. Well, you have to look at the road first. I hear a car, fuck. Fuck yeah, man! The chicken's crossed the road! Fuck yeah, first try! Let's go! Woo! Oh my god, why is there no car? Everybody is just so respectful in this city, bro. Okay, nice. We know that they can cross the road, but like, why though? Maybe we can answer this question by running even more experiments. And the next experiment is can a chicken cross a river? Alright, it's Paris summer, boys. Take a bath. You deserve it, boy. Get in there. Get in there and sleep. Can we move like at all? I think we move a bit, right? I think that's the other side. Yeah, I think we move. Ladies and gentlemen, chicken can be sweet. Let's go, boy! How are you enjoying the summer, little cock? Huh? You enjoy it like that, huh? Look at you. Okay. Very helpful. But like, why though still? We need more information. We have to conduct even more experiments. In fact, we have to up the difficulty even more. Like for example, can a chicken cross the freeway? Okay, huh? That is dangerously amount of traffic. That's going to be fine.
Get up to burst! Tell me the pride ever feel your desire!
There's so much fucking car! What the fuck? You got this chicken. You really got this chicken, I believe. Oh, this is going to be harder, huh? Look, our chicken going to cross our highway, don't worry. Okay, again. Where did that come from? That chicken on the road, bro! Fucking look! Why? That chicken! Oh. Alright, he's going to cross the road this time. What's this? Go, chicken, go! Walk, walk those legs! Careful me from you! Careful from you, chicken! What the fuck? Why did you stop? Why did you fucking stop? Why? I can see where the car coming. Okay, I can actually see it. Maybe this is going to be a good idea. Is smaller than Gora execution than a good idea. Fuck. To stay in the middle of the road like that, bro. Yes. Halfway. Oh my god, just look at the road, just fucking look at the road. You know, after all this, and I still don't know why the chicken crossed the road. Okay, this is the first cycle. I think this might be it. Wait. No, not over there, Turn back, fuck. So well, sure, thanks. You. Okay, because this is going to be our final run. Trust this. Why did you just stand there, chicken? You have to go. If you don't want to have the hit, you have to go. Chicken away. Why is there? Truck shouldn't be on the highway. Truck should never have the fucking right to be on the highway. It's too dangerous. What if there is a chicken that wanna cross the road on the highway? Look at the fucking road. Why do these people have driving license? Look at the fucking road. If there is a car, fucking move. If there is a fucking car, move! You don't have to stand there! Walk out the way, you! I sit there for fucking eternity, no truck, and then boom, there's a truck in the middle of no fucking way, no god... Please don't do it right now. Why you? Don't stand in the middle of the road. Go, chicken, go! You're almost there! You're almost there! Go! Don't turn back, you! Chicken cross the highway! Oh my fucking god! That took way too long! Why did that took too long? Fuck! Holy fucking shit! Oh my god, we crossed the highway! We crossed the fucking highway! Go this guy! Oh my fucking god! Nice. But that was European traffic. Can you do it on Asian traffic though? Asian traffic is now on. Oops. E. E. We can. I think we can cross it. Oh. that road. Yeah. Now they're going to touch you. Where does that come from? Crossing road 101. Remember to look both sides of the street. Walk straight and don't hesitate. Lock in. You're Ethan. Chicken, go! Let's go, chicken! Don't worry about the surrounding. It's just a normal Tuesday. And there you go! A chicken can't cross the road in Indonesian traffic, yeah, boys! Woo! Easy, first try, baby! Okay, great, very helpful. Anyway, find someone that can help us answer the question. If you can steal a car and drive to 254 Forum Drive before 4 PM, you can find this lady. All you need to know is she knows. You can find a chicken. Good luck. Okay, so theoretically I just need to wait for a red light so I can just steal a car. Everyone? That's going to be my victim there. Let's go. Get out, bitch! Get out! Fuck out! Fuck off! Okay, so theoretically I just need to wait here until there's a red light so I can steal a car, which is going to be right about now. Now. Mason is a key, chicken, let's go, okay. Chicken. Should be faster, but chicken. Okay, it's fine, chicken. We're going to sit here and wait for the second chance. You know what? A taxi work too. Okay, chicken.
It's not a game. I'm not a robot. And I challenging you. I'm not a man. I'm in your face and I'm here to see.
Yeah, let's go. My car now.
Right before your eyes. What just multiply? Got the summer right. It's time.
Yeah, no. Damn, I'm driving a car, so chicken is hard. Oh fuck. Ouch. I'm a chicken, bro. Everything hurts. God, why is humans so violent? I'm just a tiny chicken. I'm just a tiny pork. Maybe a bigger car is better.
So you know that we out there.
Steal the fucking car, baby boy. We're going to do this again.
Can't move fast without breaking. Can't hold on all life for change. And our voices ring out, yeah. Took a mask off to be free. Fought it out in the debris.
Fuck.
Now we know that time will change.
This is not close at all to where we need to be. My car now, you fucking bitch. Get out. On your sofa passenger is also mine. Fuck off. Fuck off. Get out. With that, let's go. We will finally fucking be there. Here we go. Hello, bitch. I am here as your needed. Now, bitch, I'm going to need all the information you have. No problem, chicken. But let me ask you one question though. Why did you cross the road? Was it because you want to, or because someone told you that what chicken was supposed to do? I know, you're fighting me to answer the question, right? But have you realized something? I'm a lady with a male voice. Weird, right? Okay, the system is broken for a tiny bit. I don't have much time. You find your answer in the Los Santos City Hall. There's going to be some people trying to stop you, but you should be fine, right? Okay, good job. But can you cross the road while Meteor raining on you, though? Wait, what the fuck is this script? Why are you guys trying to hide something? Alright, chicken, I know there's some rock in the sky. You can do this. Let's get out here. Don't worry, it's just a big ass rock that's falling out of the sky. You got this. Be careful of the car, chicken. Be careful of the car. Fuck the car. Look at the rock. I know there's a fucking big ass rock in the sky, but look at the rock. There's a chicken down there. Alright, chicken, you got this. Run, chicken, run! Fuck! Let's run. Let's trust me and run. Go, 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 chicken, go! Just trust me and run! Why are you standing there? What the fuck? Okay, listen here, chicken. Just trust me and run in the straight line. Nothing going to hit you, okay? All of those cars are going to get hit by the meteor. Remember that. Trust the flying rock in the sky. I know you cannot trust the flying rock in the sky, but trust the flying rock in the sky. Run, chicken, you're almost there. Go, go, go. Run, chicken, run. You got it. Run. Yes. Meteor ain't gonna shit on us. The flying rock in the sky ain't gonna shit on us. Let's fucking go. That's my fucking chicken, bruh.
Congratulations on walking across the road while there is a meteor strike. For the next experiment, you are required to steal a military jet and fly away over this mountain. However, there is one tiny problem. Every airline now only use the X-Black Spy audio-activated control pilot program. Good luck, chicken.
Alright, now you just gotta steer the chest. You can do it, chicken. I believe in you. Let's go, chicken. Yeah, fuck yeah, let's go, chicken. You got this. Yeah, it's mine now, bitch. Okay, you got it, chicken. Runway. Runway. Crash. 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 Go, chicken, go. Crash. 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 You. Why?
Here at X-Black Spy Airline, we only hire the best of the best. Unlike you, pathetic little chicken, you gotta fly better than that.
Alright, you got this, chicken. Let's fly up then. Runway. Runway. Crash. Crash. Fuck. Runway. Crash. 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 Fuck. Okay. Runway. East. Crash. Sun. Runway. Crash. 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 One. Crash. Tom. Crash. 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 Okay, listen. You know what? Next time just crash. Okay.
Fuck you mean? Your plan doesn't even make sense. If the chicken was able to get into the air, then he will walk out rain and you literally can get this stupid supernatural experiment on him. Also, how the fuck does the chicken even talk? How does that even work? Just put me back there. We deal with this like how we deal with the last one.
Alright, you got the chicken. Runway. Crash. 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 You got this chicken. Go. Go. Go for freedom. Crash. 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 Fuck yeah. That's my fucking chicken, alright? Yeah. Crash. Well, it was about to happen, I guess. Congrats getting out of there, chicken. Now, in the end, they can't reach it anymore. It's get, but deep down, it never get its answer. It never understand. Why? Why did it cross that road? It is a purpose? It is a desire? Its life goal? An achievement? What's the point? And in that desperation, it hears something. On top of the highest mountain of Los Santos City, if a chicken managed to walk down the mountain road all the way to the Chiliad platform, the star will answer the question it desires. Even the answer to that question. It doesn't need to do that though. It is escape. It's free. So why it still have this weird feeling? Everything it went through, was that all for this? Did it really cross that road? And so, the chicken make its choice. Your question is about to be answered. Everything you want and everything you ever need, everything you ever want to ask, the answer is on that mountain. Chicken, let's be the first of your kind to ever do that. Let's play the best fucking GTA 5 of your... Oh my god, this draw is about to be difficult, huh? Well, every mountain has its challenge, I guess. Go back. Don't you want to answer? Don't you want to know your purpose? Don't you want to know the answer? Why are you running out? Just stay on the track. Don't fly now, chicken. You got a long way to go. You have to know. You have to understand. You have to answer it. Don't fall now. Come on, stay on the road, chicken. Don't fall for it. Just think straight. Look, think about your goal and think about what you could have been and what you could have done. Don't stray away from the road. You can see it. You can see the pic there. Your journey is about to end. You're about to have the answers to the universe. You can do it, chicken. Go! Just a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more. It's over there. You can see the final ending. Let's do it, chicken. You and me. You cannot fall now. You cannot fall right now. It's there. You are about to get the answer to the universe. You cannot do this. You have to go. You cannot fall right now. You have to go. You have to go. You have to see. It's right over there. It's right in front of you. It's not on the horizon. It's not near. It's right in front of you. Go there and catch it, chicken. Go. Just a bit more. Just a bit more, you can do it, chicken, just a bit more. No, you want to know the answer to it. Why are you walking out? Don't be scared. At this moment, it's all you ever need. You have to be the strongest now. You are almost there. You are on the platform. All you need to do is walk on it, and you will know the secret of the universe. Don't give up on it now, chicken. Don't. You are too close. Don't be scared. Why do you want to make this harder, chicken? You know it's right in front of you. Just give up and just do it. You will see it's your reward. Just do it. You did it. You fucking did it. Yes, chicken, I know. It's beautiful. The star, right? Yes. You did it. You fucking did it. You fucking did it. That's the star. That's my fucking chicken. He climbed a mountain and says nothing. You can stop him. He deserves to know. Finally, he reached it. He reached the mountain, and at last, under the star in the galaxy, he asked the question, why did the chicken cross the road? And in that flash of an eye, everything went to him. The star, the city, the people, everything that ever was and everything that ever was. And he started to be aware. He aware of us. The chicken sees it in the crack of everything. She sees the 1 and 0. He starts to know. He wasn't even a real chicken, just a puppet run by a machine. And that ran him insane. The road was never the point. The destination that someone invented. It just so they could laugh at him when he arrived. He's more than a punchline. He can choose his own path, even if no one understands it. Even if there isn't another side waiting for him. And so, the chicken choose his path. Chicken, if you wanna do this, I don't think I can stop you. Think about the order. Think about what you know, what you can, and what you will do. It is worth it to do it now. I see. Well then, if there was ever going to be on the other side, I hope you can be somewhere you're happy. I hope you can be somewhere you don't have to think about all of this anymore. I'm sorry, chicken. I shouldn't have sent you on all that. But it was nice knowing you. Thank you for everything. You take care, alright? And so, the chicken was set free. Out of all the runaway, out of all the question, he was set on the other side, far away from the system. As for Spy though, he stayed. He told everyone that there was an accident, and later on, no one saw him again, that he never exists. But some people say that if you hear 4 clap, that was him, still lurking in the shadow, still watching. But the show must go on, so join us next time when we answer the question of what would the chicken order if he get into a bar.